Here we are once again in Central Phoenix. We're by Holly Street and Fifth Avenue, and this is a project we sanded and refinished. That's a beautiful home. It's like a hobbit house. What's nice about downtown Phoenix, all the homes are unique here. Just like you and I, the way they should be. Not all cookie cutter homes, right? Well, that's because I love downtown Phoenix. So this is a project we sanded and refinished last week. Didn't get a chance to do a before video, so we'll do one after. Painters are about to start painting, and this is just the after. Alright, nice little doorbell, and this is the area that we sanded and finished. Let me close the door. That's nice. Very cool, huh? Back in the days. Anyhow, so this is the floor that we did not sand and refinish. Homeowner decided not to because they didn't want to spend the money. They're selling the house, which is fine. We just, oh, that's beautiful. Probably from the 60s. We just did, hey everybody, welcome to Royal Wood Flooring. Give us a call, 602-446-2613. Or find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com here in Phoenix, Arizona. You can see this is a white oak, 2 1/4 by 3/4 flooring where we sanded and finished it. Turned out beautiful, flawless, no scratches, no gouges. We do a great job here in the valley. So, don't know about that. Homeowner didn't want to spend the money to remove that 1960s blue carpet. And as you can see the bathroom, it does have the original. Well, original maybe. I doubt it. Check out this little hidden toilet. So if you want some privacy, the kids taking a shower, you could have both. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the house. That's not original. Probably from the 80s. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know this is here. They have another shower. They have a shower. Oh, okay. And a bathtub. Amazing. Oh, that's right. There is no spigot there for a shower. That's a nice little arch. Let's go check out. I'll go upstairs in a bit. Let's go ahead and see what this house looks like from all angles. This is another room we sanded and finished. This is also white oak, 2 1/4 by 3/4. And you can see it turned out fabulous. And you can see this is normal with these old homes. Cracking, settling in the foundation. Well, built in the 1930s. What can we expect? You see the old, unfinished? Well, it was pre-finished probably about 15 years ago. And the newly finished one that we did. Same thing in the kitchen. Homeowner did not want to spend the money to do the main living area, and we just did the kitchen here. And you see the kitchen is not, maybe the cabinets are original, but everything else is not. And they do have a garage with a guest house in the back. That needs a ton of work. If I have enough video space, I'll go ahead up there and show you that little studio they have. And this is the little kitchen. I really dig these corner cabinets. You don't see them anymore. Not in our days. That's really back in the days. You got a nice bright orange color. The walls. All right, let's go ahead and go on upstairs. They do have an upstairs. I'm thinking that they added this upstairs on at one time. So this is the wood. There is wood floor underneath here. It's just sad that the homeowner did not want to spend the extra few $100s to pull this shaggy carpet out and do wood sand and refinish here. So I would say that this is probably 80s or 90s with the wooden spindle. Only thing that sucks, well, only thing that's not nice about this is you go upstairs through one of the bedrooms. So this is a bedroom for the kids. It'll be the master bedroom upstairs. It'll be challenging going up and down and waking up whoever stays in that room. And they do have a different bathroom here. They do have wood floors here, but not underneath the carpet. It's all plywood underneath the carpet. I'm guessing this was added on back in the 80s, just because of the cabinets. But it does have a nice